Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best blood glucose monitor is probably one of the most essential tools for managing diabetes effectively, providing crucial insights into your health with every test, and ensuring you can make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle to maintain optimal blood sugar levels, ultimately empowering you to live a healthier, more controlled life. Number 5. AUVON DSW Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This monitor kit provides highly accurate results, exceeding international standards. It functions within a tight margin of laboratory values over 95% of the time, giving you confidence in your readings. For optimal results, follow the simple instructions provided. Instructional videos are available to guide you, and our friendly customer support is always ready to assist with any questions. It utilizes cutting-edge test strip enzymes for precise measurements. These strips are crafted with a unique automatic carbon printing technique, ensuring stable and accurate quality for every batch. Replenishing your test strips is also budget-friendly. They are priced affordably, ensuring you can maintain your testing routine without financial strain. This device stores your test results with time and date, helping you track and manage your health effectively. It also calculates 7, 14, and 30-day averages, and its automatic off feature conserves battery life. Everything you need is in one convenient package. It comes with a monitor, battery, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, a lancing device, and user guides. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty and dedicated support. What we like? This monitor exceeds international standards for accuracy, ensuring reliable results every time. It also features advanced data tracking to help you manage your health effectively. If you are looking for a highly accurate device that helps you meticulously track your glucose trends, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 4. Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the Metene TD 4116. This advanced diabetes testing kit provides accurate and reliable results, ensuring better control over your blood sugar. It even includes a control solution to verify its performance. Designed for simplicity, it features a code-free design. Just insert a strip, and it's ready to test. A quick guide and instructional videos are available to assist you. Get your blood glucose value quickly and comfortably. This kit requires only 0.7 microliters of blood and delivers results in just 7 seconds. It minimizes discomfort for a better testing experience. Monitor your glucose trends effectively with 4 recording modes. It stores up to 450 blood sugar values and calculates continuous averages for various periods. This makes managing your diabetes more convenient for you and your healthcare provider. This monitor is especially user-friendly for the elderly. It features a large display for easy reading and allows you to set 4 daily reminder alarms. These thoughtful features ensure timely testing and clear visibility. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to start. It includes 150 glucometer strips, 150 lancets, and a lancing device. You'll have all the essentials for consistent home use. What we like? This kit provides quick results in just 7 seconds with a minimal blood sample. It features a large display and daily reminder alarms, making it very user-friendly. If you are a senior or caring for one, and need a fast, easy-to-read monitor with helpful reminders, this one is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for the Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Number 3. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Bluetooth Glucose and Ketone Kit. This device provides fast and accurate readings for both ketones and glucose. It's trusted by healthcare professionals and ideal for managing ketogenic, low-carb, or diabetes-focused lifestyles. Used in over 100 clinical trials, it helps you instantly see how food, fasting, exercise, and stress impact your blood sugar and ketone levels. Stop guessing and start testing with confidence. The complete starter kit includes the Bluetooth meter, strips for both ketone and glucose, lancets, and control solutions. It comes with everything necessary to begin your testing journey right away. Automatically sync your results to its free app to view trends and track your glucose-ketone index. You can also easily share your data with your doctor or coach for better insights. Its individually foil-wrapped strips ensure sterility and consistent performance. The meter also auto-detects each strip type, minimizing user error for reliable readings every time. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and responsive US-based support. You'll also gain access to a full library of free resources, including videos, recipes, and expert articles to support your lifestyle. What we like. This unique meter offers both glucose and ketone testing, providing a comprehensive view of your metabolic health. It seamlessly integrates with a free app to track trends and share data. If you are following a ketogenic or low-carb lifestyle and need to monitor both glucose and ketones with smart data tracking, this is the perfect solution. What people say. No positive product features found in the provided reviews. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 2. LinkSun G-425-2V Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing your new blood glucose monitor kit. It's designed for ultimate ease of use. Simply insert a test strip to begin your measurement. No complicated buttons or coding required. This device utilizes advanced detection technology for highly accurate and reliable results. It meets international standards and has a proven track record of precision. You can trust its readings for your health management. Get your blood sugar results in just 5 seconds, making daily testing quick and convenient. It also offers 5 lancing strengths to suit different skin types, ensuring comfort for everyone. Featuring a significantly larger display than many other monitors, this kit ensures your results are clear and easy to read. This makes it especially suitable for seniors or anyone who prefers larger text. Remember to switch to CTL mode when using the control solution for accurate calibration. Simply press and hold S until CTL appears, then press again to return to blood measurement. Following these steps ensures correct results. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the monitor, lancing device, 100 strips, 100 lancets, control solution, and a travel bag. It provides a complete solution for managing your diabetes effectively. With this kit, managing your diabetes becomes lighter, safer, and smarter. From sliding the zipper to getting your results, it simplifies your routine, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This monitor delivers rapid results in just 5 seconds and comes with a convenient travel diabetic organizer bag. Its large screen display ensures clear readability. If you prioritize quick testing, portability for on-the-go management, and an easy-to-read display, this kit is highly recommended. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON. No reviews found in the source JSON. Number 1. TD-4125 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This monitor kit offers superior accuracy compared to most others on the market. You can trust its precise readings for effective diabetes management. Forget complex coding steps. It's designed for simplicity, allowing you to start testing immediately without any extra setup. It comes complete with 100 test strips and lancets, providing everything you need to begin monitoring your blood glucose levels right away. Featuring a larger backlight screen, it ensures clear visibility of your results. Its intuitive design makes testing simple for everyone. Powered by patented 2+2 biotech, it delivers reliable and consistent performance. This advanced technology ensures dependable results every time. Specially designed with seniors in mind, it offers ease of use and clear readings. Managing your health has never been simpler with this kit. What we like. This kit stands out with its patented 2+2 biotech for superior accuracy and a larger, backlit screen for enhanced visibility. It is designed to be both accurate and incredibly easy to use. If you value cutting-edge technology for reliable results and a display that's easy on the eyes, especially in low light, this monitor is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.